Alright, for me, when I do the wires, I kind of like to, it's a little bit hard because I use my camera phone, so I like to do a crimp here, and I also like, so basically I like to do 2 crimps. It just feels better. And that's how I do the wiring. Usually on these front push bars, it's usually this black and green wire, and that's specifically for the lights. Right now I don't have the sirens and anything hooked up. So we're gonna do a quick check. Got to put it in slide 2. The first one is just the rear lights, and then slide 2 does the front. And now we have lights. Alright, so I'm going to hook up these siren speakers, and then we'll test the siren. Alright, here we are. We're all wired up. Now we're going to check it. Make sure the sirens work. After we check it to make sure they work, we're going to wrap it up and make it look all nice and pretty. First things first, let's press the horn. Alright, now we're going to get annoying here. Oh, hold up, let's do it like this. Sometimes with these systems, it's weird. You hit it, oh, never mind. But usually you go 3 and then it'll, okay. So we are good, everything works again. I'm just gonna make this wiring all pretty, and that's it. Alright, so I pretty much taped up, you know, all the connectors and all this crap. So I'm just gonna put this pretty little crap on here. I can't really do it on the phone at the same time because I gotta work on my camera phone. I'm not like a professional YouTuber here. Alright, so I got this pretty piece on. Now what we're gonna do is just tuck it under here, and that's it. So there we go. We're gonna do another check. Make sure this thing works again. Because it's happened to me so many times where I wire it up and then do the taping and one of the connectors comes loose. Okay, so we're still good here. Let's see if the lights are working. Alright, so we are good.